Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at lockdownsecurity.ca, and today I am bringing you a video on a brand new dash camera model from Thinkware that you can see here on my workbench. It is called the Q850, and it is a 2024 revamp of what looks to be the F800 Pro, but they've upgraded the resolution and they've upgraded the image processor, and they've also changed the part number to the Q850. Before I get into the features of this, I just want to let everybody know that this video is being brought to you by the LDS P5, P6, and P7 line of dash camera batteries. You can see down below in the description, I will post a link to the review videos we've done on these batteries, but this video is being sponsored by the LDS dash camera brand, and as you can see, I'm using it to power up this Q850 on my workbench. This happens to be the P7 8000 milliamp hour dash camera battery with built-in inverter. If you or someone you know is interested in adding a dash camera to your vehicle, you should definitely consider the P5, P6, or P7 dash camera batteries. On to the Q850. So what is new in 2024? Well, you can see, those of you who know Thinkware dash camera models, this is the actual front camera, the Q850. It uses the same housing and same chassis as the F800 Pro, but what they've done is they've upgraded the image processor and they've increased the resolution of the front camera to a 2K 1440p. So you can see on the box, 2K QHD. The rear camera is FHD. This is basically a 1080p rear camera. Included in this box is the hardwire parking mode cable. Comes with all the mounts, comes with some cable tie accessories, comes with a user guide, and obviously the ability to record in parking mode as well as normal everyday driving. It also has Wi-Fi so that you can pair this camera to your phone. You can review footage on a smartphone, iOS or Android, and you also get a 32 gigabyte memory card with the capability to go up to a 256 gig card. It has a Sony Starvis image processor, and it also has a few other features like time-lapse recording, super night vision, integrated thermal protection, built-in GPS, built-in Wi-Fi, as I mentioned, advanced driver assistance, otherwise known as ADAS, and then smart parking recording. What does that mean? That means that from an efficiency standpoint with regards to draining your vehicle battery, if you want no concerns whatsoever, LDS P5, P6, or P7 dash camera battery to the rescue. But if you are utilizing this with your vehicle battery, rest assured that the Q850 is very efficient in parking mode. And you also have a built-in voltage and timer-based cutoff within the camera itself, but you must be connected to the vehicle using the hard wire cable. As always, Thinkware dash cameras are some of the best out there. They are very reliable. They pretty much have a 100% success rate. We do not get this brand of camera back on defective or warranty claims, and they do exactly as they promise to do at great value. These are always going on promotion. They are always, even at full regular price, this is a fantastic value camera, but when you can get it on promo, it's even better. So we hope you enjoyed this video. I am Jeff, hello, at Lockdown Security. This is the Thinkware Q850. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and because LDS is promoting this video, we are offering everybody who watches this video a 10% discount on these batteries. Coupon code down below, and we hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you very much. Have a great day.